In terms of other events in the Asset Recovery series, I'd absolutely recommend it. I am fairly recently going to the asset recovery type conferences, but from the people I've met who've gone to a number of these, they're speaking very highly of it. I have no difficulty recommending it from the experience I've had so far, and I'm sure that's going to just improve over the next 24 hours. But I have no difficulty advising or recommending people to come along. And that is why Dylan Eustace is sponsoring the Asset Recovery Series.
I think topics are very good. It's exactly what we're looking for. It's exactly the space that we're in. Asset tracing, asset recovery in lots of different jurisdictions around the world. So, Far East, Africa, Caribbean, UK, Russia, CIS. Yeah, it's spot on. And that is the reason that Grant Thornton are sponsoring the Asset Recovery Series.
Quality of the panels, the quality of the program, the quality of the people here were just terrific, and it looked like a terrific opportunity for us to be a part of. And that is why Baker Hostetler is sponsoring a program in the Asset Recovery Series.
The networking here is really excellent. You get to have sufficient time to meet and discuss with people, and people of quality. The most important jurisdictions are represented, so it's an interesting mix with people at the top of their game. And that is why Lalive is sponsoring the Asset Recovery Series.
I think that networking at the event was perfect. I met a lot of persons who I knew before, and also I met a lot of new interesting persons, and I tried to make this context useful for both parties. And I expect that after conference we could bring each other new work. That's why my law firm, Kovalev, Togushi & Partners, supporting and speaking at the conference Asset Recovery.
I would definitely recommend this particular conference for my firm and for many other East African law firms that are still grappling with with new legislation on jurisprudence on insolvency. So I would definitely recommend this for anyone who's trying to understand and grapple with the issues of especially cross-border insolvency, which is a totally alien concept for us. And that is why Oraro & Company is speaking at this event and supporting the event, and we do hope to come back again.
Well, the sessions today have been very interesting. There's been a great variety in the speakers and the topics that have been covered. The networking has been great. There's been a lot of people from different jurisdictions around the world. It's not just Ireland and the UK, although we're here in Dublin. There are representatives from various firms all over the world, so it's been very interesting to meet a lot of new people, a lot of people, old people we knew, but it's been very interesting, very informative. And that's why BDO are involved in sponsoring the Asset Recovery Series.
Most of the folks here are either partners, managing partners, they are senior decision makers for their organisations. So in terms of the folks that we're meeting and as a platform to get our brand out there, this very much hits the spot. And that's why IDA is very happy to sponsor the Asset Recovery Series.